welcome back to the channel, man. Real quick, I want to go over the top 3 things you should do after you do major engine work, oil leaks or anything like that. Okay, you see this right here? This is old valve cover gaskets that I just did. I had to replace the spark plugs tubes too. Gaskets. So if you see oil on your spark plug, you most definitely would need these spark plug tube gaskets. Alright, but what I want to talk about is the top 3 things you should do after doing engine oil leaks, any kind of major oil leak, trans leak, anything. Oh yeah, make sure you replace that PCV valve too. That will help the engine vent better and breathe better and help control oil leaks. Okay, so top 3 things you should do, man. After you finish your repair, you need to clean this engine, you need to test drive this car, and then you need to recheck the work that you just did. Alright, those are the top 3 things you should do after engine repair. Alright, let's get with it, man. Let's get started. Alright, I'm at the detail department. Alright, I got some of the engine degreaser. We're going to spray this engine and we're going to clean this engine off. That is number 1 of my top 3 things you should do after you do some major engine work. Alright, so let's finish this thing up, baby. Let's get with it.
JT, you better come get this character over here, man.
I want to show the people what I do, man. I take pride in my work, baby. I do some major engine work, oil leaks and stuff. I gotta clean it up afterwards. That's called pride. You gonna do this? Nah, well, do it right.
Tell him, JT.
That's it, baby. That's how I roll.
So we can see if we encounter any more leaks.
Yeah. Hey, if any more leaks show up, you'll be able to find it. So that's how I do it. Keep the engine clean. Get it nice and clean. So you will not have the same oil leaks you had before I worked on it. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright, we got number 1 out the way, man. Number 2, let's go test drive this car. Now, I went on a test drive, and back from my test drive, I essentially go back in the shop and recheck my work. And then after that, man, we simply go park the car, look at it over real good one last time. Yes, that's a beauty. That looks good, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.